Oops, yeah, my bad, that's your girl, we can share it. Might buy her diamonds and pearls, but can't marry.
Gang, on fuck on so boy, you right here, we got another video, dig what I'm saying. Today we got a little different video. Today we got a sponsorship unboxing. So yeah, let's get straight to it. We got some new for the Type R, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it. This is what we got. We got some floor mats for the Type R or your Civic 2020, 2021, 19, 18. You see what I'm saying? LASFIT floor mats. Now let's install them, unbox them, let's get them. So I'm now in the garage. I'm about to take out my old ones. They're right there. I don't know what brand they are. They're not the original Type R ones, but raggedy mats in there. That's what I meant to say. Now we got the official LASFIT. We in the game now. Bro, that's cleaning stuff, I'll be struggling. And with these, you're gonna struggle no more. So let's just take these out, put those in, and let's get it. Bro, this shit's way partner. This shit got to go. Now you get these. You dig what I'm saying? You get these, the real ones. Put them drums on. Y'all little tips and tricks. I think y'all might struggle with. It's not even a struggle, it's just you gotta play around with it. So whenever you start them, you gotta find this and you in the game. And then just flip it. And then it'll lock in. But look, and yeah, my pedal's brand new. But anyways, I can see. LASFIT, use code VERT, 10% off, you dig? Nobody tell you nothing. Bro, that fitment is crazy. It's like, oh yeah. You in the game. It looks so much better. So much better. Anyway, don't type out behind me. Now that we have installed the front ones, as you can see, they're in there. Now that we have installed the front one, also my daily over there. I daily have lost it, but that shit besides the point. Let's go get the real ones. Get the real one. You in the game. So, to put those on, as you can see, you might have to fold it a little bit. It doesn't matter if it folds, you can't like unfold them doing packaging or whatever. If they mess up a little bit, like fold doing shipping, you can just, you know what I'm saying, refix it. Bullshit out of here, bro. Now for this is the center part, right? That little part right, center part right there, comes in like this. You might be like, what the hell? But it's easy, bro. Just get in your butt. This is what you do. Well, this is what I did. You put it in there, slide it through here. And then the other one goes right here. You be in the game. Yes, sir. I just got back from riding around my whip for like a cool 10 minutes. Just got back. I review on the mats, bro. Let me tell y'all, it feels just more grip. Like since it's rubber and it's not like my old ones, it feel like you're not gonna slip and slide once you get in the whip. Like you know how you get in the car and it's wet and you be sliding while you trying to get in it? It's not happening. Also, one of my buddies have it in his Type R, and I got in his car once. I was like, yo, what mats you have? And he told me it was these. And it just happened that they hit me up on my email. If you need some promo, hit me up. So they hit me up and it was like, yo, you know what I'm saying? Let's collab. So here we got the collab. Make sure you use code VERT for 10% off. Hit me up. I'll send you a link. I get you set up, everything you need for you to do your match for your Civic. And if you did enjoy the video, make sure you subscribe or comment. Remember to go on LASFIT.com and get your stuff right now today for your Civic.